going to be 2 by 2
All right.
and then 3 by 3.
I've challenged Katie. Where are the cubes?
It's recording?
Yes.
I know that's the point plunger.
I challenged him to play the trombone with no hands and solve a 2 by 2 Rubik's Cube and a 3 by 3 Rubik's Cube.
This should be interesting.
Okay. I will mix this one up, which doesn't take a lot. Take that one. Alright, now I'll mix this one up.
Behind my back.
That looks pretty mixed. It was already mixed up a little bit, but I was going to mix it up some more.
With my eyes closed and my hands covering my face while holding a trombone.
Oh, and is this the double white-sided one?
Oh.
This is the double white-sided one. Meaning 2 sides are white, but he doesn't know which white ones go with which. So this was more hard than a normal one.
Well,
so here we go.
There's going to be some time.
Alright, what? Give me the 2 by 2. Alright. We shall start. And I can't tell what time it is.
6:27.
6:27 and 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, go! Go! Ah, bang! 29.50. So that's 2 minutes 20 seconds to solve. And what I was talking about the 2 sides is this one has 2 white sides. So when he's trying to solve it, he doesn't know if that one is supposed to go on this side or the other. Yeah.
So what will happen?
That just happened.
In 2 minutes.
Peace out.